Hello again, this is Teacher Mary and welcome to BM Reading Academy. So for today's reading, we're going to read about Ted's pet. Ted has a pet. His name is Ned. Ned got wet. He gets a net. He put it on the bed. Ned sleeps on the bed. For comprehension checkup, please check the description below or follow our page at BM Reading Academy. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.